Okay, for your tongue drum, I'm going to show you how we're going to use the table router to cut a rebate into our parts for our tongue drum. So we're only going to do it in the end parts, which is the smaller of the two parts, and what you want to do is choose the best side. So you're going to examine your piece of plywood and work out which side looks the best. The side that looks the best will become the outside, and obviously the side that looks the worst will become the inside. And we're going to place this on the router table with the best side facing up, the good side facing up. Hopefully you can notice on the table router we've got an arrow. That shows us which way we feed our timber. Always feed it that way, we never go back the other way. We've got a guard so our fingers don't go under the guard. We've got a fence to keep our timber the correct distance from the cutter, and we always keep our timber flat on the table. So basically what I'm doing is keeping the timber against the fence, keeping it flat on the table, and keeping my fingers out of the way. And I'll run it through like that. Good side facing up, not the bad side. So you can only do this once you've had instruction and completed the on-guard safety test for the router table. So the teacher should have instructed you and you should have passed the on-guard safety test. Let's begin. So there's the end result. We want the rebate on the two angled ends. Don't put a rebate top and bottom, only on the ends of both your pieces. Remember, good side facing up.